Hello, my name is Belkis, and I just took my NCLEX exam on July the 22nd, and I found out yesterday on the 23rd that I had passed my NCLEX. I just want to give a thanks Regina and all the ReMar family for all the support and the Monday motivations, which were very helpful. Also, winning Wednesdays as well. I did use V2 plus the Quick Facts book and the Q Bank. I did around 1,300 questions. The only resources that I used was ReMar. Before, I'm a repeat test taker. This was my second time. The first time my resources were Archer and as well UWorld. And when I went to that test that day, I really did not have the content. And I really felt that I had not passed. And coming to looking for resources again for my second time around, which was really hard, but I picked up and I said, you cannot give up. With God, everything is possible. And I just want to give my testimony to let every ReMar nurse around the world to use ReMar nurse review. It's the best review. It's the completest review. It's definitely contests. The test, everything is content. If you don't know the content, it's very difficult because it's like you have to navigate question to question. And if you know your content, you will know how to answer the questions. Like I said, please use ReMar. ReMar is the best NCLEX review out there. It's straight to the point. And I am so happy that I'm going on to a second step in my life. I've been in the medical industry for 25 years and wanted to get a higher education. And I did it with ReMar. Thank you, Regina and Mark, again, and for all your prayers. May God bless your family. And I'm a ReMar nurse.